Today we're exploring the world of formatting. You're working for a non-profit organization managing a general ledger with donor income and outgoing expenses. The way you format your data can drastically impact how quickly and accurately it's interpreted. So how can we make this data not just informative, but also visually appealing and easy to interpret? That's what we'll tackle today, turning a bland spreadsheet into a powerful tool for making decisions. In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently enter and edit data in Excel. Plus, we'll show you how to apply various formatting techniques that enhance readability and elevate your data presentation to make a lasting impact. By the end of this video, you will be able to enter and edit data efficiently, apply various formatting techniques, improve data readability and presentation.
First up, let's talk about number formatting. Right now, our donation and expense figures are just plain numbers. But by applying currency formatting, we can instantly communicate that this is money we're dealing with. Let's select the Amount column with Control and Spacebar and apply the currency format by navigating to the Numbers group in the Home tab or by using the keyboard shortcut Control and 1. Then choose your currency symbol and select OK. For those who like options, there are several more ways to do this. First, if for example there was another column with numbers that required the same format, you can simply copy the format. Select cell E2, press Ctrl and C to copy. Now highlight the column where you want to apply the formatting and select Paste Special from the Home tab. And in the Other Paste options, choose the icon which just pastes the formatting. As a second option, you can also call on Copilot. Just prompt, format the values in the Values column as currency. Press Enter. Click Apply and it's done in a snap. Next, let's make sure our key information stands out. We'll start by bolding the header row. Let's make the background color blue and the font white. All these options are available in the font group of the Home tab. A little bit of font styling goes a long way in making your data more readable. But instead of doing all these steps manually, why not let Copilot do the heavy lifting? Try the prompt to format the headers as bold and set the background color to blue, and then let's make the font color white. Press Enter to execute the prompt. Then select Apply to apply the changes to your data set. We're now well on our way to a more professional-looking data set. We've looked at number formatting and text formatting. Next, we will discuss borders. Borders are like the framework of your data. They help separate different sections and make the table look clean and organized. If you're in a hurry, just tell Copilot to add borders to the table in black, and it'll do the rest. Select Enter. And don't forget to select Apply. Now for the fun part, conditional formatting. Let's say we want to quickly identify any expenses over a certain threshold, like 1,000. First, for the information to be even more useful, we need the income received from the donors to be reflected as a positive number and the expenses to be negative, so that we can calculate the surplus or deficit this nonprofit has generated, which is the money left over for further spending or the loss incurred from overspending. So we can prompt Copilot, where the type is expense, convert the amount to a negative. Select Enter. Then select Insert Column. Now we can prompt Copilot to sum the adjusted amount. After selecting Enter, select Insert Cell. which adds the total of column F to the bottom of the data range. This result indicates that this non-profit is in a surplus position to the value of £27,820. From here we can apply some basic conditional formatting, such as highlighting material expenses, which would be any amount over £1,000. But as we have converted the expense values to negative numbers, we need to use the prompt highlight expenses in the adjusted amount column less than 1,000. Note that we also need to include the minus symbol in front of the number. Hit apply. And there you go. Those big ticket expenses are now instantly visible.
In this video, we focus on transforming a basic general ledger into a visually appealing and easy-to-interpret tool for decision-making. By utilizing Excel's formatting options such as number formatting, text styling, borders, and conditional formatting, we enhance the readability and functionality of the data. We demonstrated how Excel Copilot can automate these formatting tasks, making the process more efficient, and explored how to make key financial information like expenses and income stand out, which helps in quickly assessing the financial health of your organization. Your turn. Open up your own Excel spreadsheet and start experimenting with these formatting options. And remember, when in doubt, just ask Copilot. After all, why let your data be plain when it can be excellent?